welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Jeanette Young. Hope you've been keeping good, hope you are well. I got some really good feedback from my last YouTube video, which was the mini garden photo shoot. I was quite pleased with the feedback, positive feedback, and it was a vlog, and sometimes I find that my vlogs don't do as well as my shopping haul. So thank you to everyone who liked, commented and subscribed. What do I have for you today? So today I have a Zara shopping haul and try on. Yes, before I talk about that any further, I just want to say, remember about 2 weeks ago I mentioned that I was going to do a sustainable shopping haul and trial? Well, that shopping haul that I was looking forward to do, the package didn't arrive, hasn't arrived, and it has actually been cancelled. So it hasn't happened, guys. I hopefully will get to do it in a couple of weeks time, but I'm just gonna move on with my agenda. Anyway, back to what I was saying. I have a few nice pieces for you from Zara. So I'm gonna try them on, put these looks together. I'm just gonna make it short, sweet and simple. No, that's a lie, never. But anyway, let's see how I get on. I am wearing gold choker chain from Primark, orange top and sea green slouchy jeans from Zara, white sandals from Loveraid. Don't you just love the detailing in this top? I decided to do a bold and pastel colour combo because I think the two colours work great together. Try mixing bold and pastel colours too. Let me know which two colours you would suggest. I paired this orange Zara top with my blue Joni jeans from Topshop as another option. I know not everyone is slouchy jeans crazy like me. I am wearing gold choker chain from Primark, black top and sea green slouchy jeans from Zara, black sandals from Simmi. Don't you just love this 80s style top? The details, love the beautiful cutout embroidery. I paired this black top with my Joni jeans from Topshop and my blue sandals from Loveraid as another option. I am wearing gold choker chain from Primark, yellow puffball top from Zara, Kerry ripped jeans from River Island and white sandals from Simmi. Don't you just love this puffball top? I love this relaxed casual glam look. The yellow top is bright and bold and such an easy wear. I am wearing white oversized shirt from Zara. You can never have too much white shirts. I'm loving the back waist detailing on this shirt. Okay, let me carry on. I'm wearing my Kerry ripped jeans from River Island, black platform sliders from Zara, black chain pouch bag from Bottega Veneta, just keeping it simple with a little rugged edge. OMG, I just love this jumpsuit. This 80s vibes is everything. Okay, so this fabulous aquamarine jumpsuit is from Zara, paired with my neon yellow sandals from Simmi. I love clashing colours. I think the aquamarine blue and neon yellow work so well together. let me just say pow. I am wearing this white knotted t-shirt and neon yellow finely pleated palazzo trousers from Zara, paired with my straw clutch bag from Primark. Such a beautiful, smart, casual look. I love the colour and the flow of the trousers. So chic and feminine, but yet powerful and strong. Enjoyed my shopping haul and try on. Let me know which looks were your favorite, as always. But please, 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 I really would love you to share my videos and just spread the love. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to comment. And lastly, remember to hit that alert button so that anytime I post a video, you will be notified. But as I always say, in my closing, remember, you wear the clothes don't wear you. Bye for now.